This is not okay. Making an open fire for us to cook food on. Food. There's some pans in the kitchen. In the hall. You just cook food on there. Any food you want, then we're gonna eat it after. Some fish, meat patties, chicken, normal islander food. Yep, that's pretty much it.
Wash it.
Tunu paku.
Oh yeah, did you guys hear that?
Koe foi la koe lau fusi. Ka lau fusi. Foi o New Zealand ha lau fusi to tori Niue ka.
Okay. He said it'll be very will it be Granddad? He said cover off the foil so it can cook properly. I think. He did.